Our new appraisal tool makes it fast and easy to appraise a vehicle. Select the Appraisal tab in the main navigation bar. You will notice that all information recorded for the vehicle carries over into the appraisal. Start the appraisal by clicking on the Start button. First, determine if you're recording exterior or interior defects. In this case, we are recording exterior damage. On the right side, a dent of small size. If this is the only damage to record, press Save and Exit, and your appraisal will be complete. In this case, there is more damage, so we select Save and Add More, and are then able to continue and record exterior damage to the right front quarter, another dent of medium size, and then with this defect registered, we move to the interior and identify damage to the front seats, a rip, small in size, and then we select Save and Exit, and all damage is now recorded in one vehicle summary page.